Hello family, let's see inside a beehive today. Really looks exciting. Keep watch. I'm looking at a jar of honey with garlic cloves inside. Very healthy for you. Very, very healthy. Now let's look at the box. There's a frame, box, cover, top. Yeah, use the bee's knees. Yeah, see how that's the top for it as well. Keep the bees inside. Now let's look inside the observation.
I know if I don't come and take a picture of this, my daughter will be fussing whenever I go home and tell her what I saw.
All right, that's right. Got to keep them informed, right?
Because she wanted to be here. Maybe I'll do a video.
Man, they are real busy, aren't they? Man, busy as a bee.
Busy as a bee.
Yes, indeed. No wonder God in the Bible put relationship of man and bees to be busy and proactive. I didn't know they did so much in the beehive.
Oh, yeah. Because I was showing them where there was a bee, a dead bee, right here. And they're trying to get him out.
Yeah, they sure
And I
are.
was like, wow. I said, that is so wow.
Yeah, they gnawing on him out there. Keeping it clean. What your baby's doing? Get in touch with Swayback Branch Family Farm for fresh meats. Peace.